To discover your connected readers, first select the Readers tab. To communicate with Signo readers, Linq On Premise users need to install the Linq gateway to their client machine connected to the Linq On Premise server. First-time user can do this by selecting Add Gateway. This will provide the user a prompt to download the Linq gateway. The Linq gateway is a shared product between Linq Cloud and Linq On Premise solutions. For users of Linq On Premise, please ensure you select the On-Premise configuration option. When installed, you can then create your own Linq On Premise gateway. Here you will also see other gateways created by other clients connected to the Linq On Premise server. Gateways are password protected. If not already activated, please proceed to activate your gateway. To see your connected Signo readers, please select Discover Readers. You should then see your connected Signo readers. Here you can perform various actions or inspect individual Signo readers. The checkbox next to Readers may be selected to perform quick actions like applying configurations or updating firmware. You may also select multiple readers by checking each box to perform the action on. Readers may be inspected by selecting the reader name to view detailed information and perform additional functions. Click the arrow button next to the reader graphic to change readers, if more than one is connected.